How to duplicate Sheets tab in Google Sheets. Need template or want to run experiment without messing your original? Duplicating a tab gives you a backup you can tweak freely. Let's copy and go. Firstly, if you just want a duplicate sheet itself, then how you can do is by simply tapping on the three dot icon. There you can see add star shares and make a copy. You can simply tap on make a copy and the sheets will be created, and simply name it accordingly and tap on again. If you want to make a tab, duplicate a tab, then open the sheets and then simply hold on the tab you want to duplicate. There you can see duplicate, rename, tab color, grid lines, and many more. Tap on duplicate. Like this, you can duplicate your sheets, your spreadsheet itself.